Jesus once compared our spiritual lives to branches of a vine. Listen carefully to his words from John chapter 15, verses 5 to 7. I am the vine, you are the branches. Whoever abides in me and I in him, he it is that bears much fruit. Healthy branches stay connected to their source of life. In the same way, spiritual growth happens when we remain connected to Christ through his Spirit day by day. Jesus continued, "For apart from me, you can do nothing." Real spiritual life cannot be sustained apart from him. Then Jesus gave this warning, "If anyone does not abide in me, he is thrown away like a branch and withers, and the branches are gathered, thrown into the fire, and burned." A branch only remains alive and fruitful while the life of the vine continues flowing through it. But Jesus also gave this promise, "If you abide in me and my words abide in you, ask whatever you wish, and it will be done for you." Through his Spirit, the life of Christ continues flowing through us as we remain in his word, prayer, obedience, and intentional relationships with other believers. God never intended us to grow alone. Throughout Scripture, he calls his people to walk together, encourage one another, and grow together in Christian maturity. If you'd like to grow deeper in your walk with Jesus, alongside other believers, we'd love to help you connect with a discipleship partner. Let's follow Jesus together and be changed.